Guys, do not click off. This is not a repeat of the Ghostbuster video if this is what you guys are thinking. I am going to be going over what the channel format is going to be like now going forward. So I laid out a format that I thought would work really well with what I want to continue to do with the channel, which is it's a DIY channel with 3D printing, electronics, tools, stuff like that, and different miscellaneous projects. So I have it broken down by day. I'm still going to upload 7 days a week because I do love doing this. Even with a 50-hour-a-week job, I do like to make time for this because I enjoy this. This is a passion of mine. I love electronics. I love 3D printing. I love building. I love all this stuff. So let's just get down to the, I guess what you say, the brass tacks of things. So what I'm going to be doing going forward with the channel is going to be broken down Sunday through Saturday. All right. So I almost want to say Monday through Friday. So Sunday is going to be Software Sunday. Monday is Maker Monday. Tuesday is Tweaking Tuesday. Wednesday is Wired Review Wednesday. Thursday is Tutorial Thursday. Friday is Freedom Friday. So it's Free Friday, where I can just pick up anything random that I feel like doing that I think will work great for the channel. Nothing weird like scraping ice off a window or something like that, but anything to do with DIY, like a random project. And then Saturday will be Sculpture Saturday. So that's why I'll be doing my 3D pen videos on Saturday. So I still feel like 3D pens really do fall in the category of 3D printers as well. So it does. And DIY. So I feel like it does fit with the channel because you can not only use it as a tool to seal things, you can also do a lot of cool stuff with it, like sculpting. And I have 2 sculpting videos so far. So now I'm going to go through and we're going to break down what it's roughly going to look like on those days, the format. So Software Sunday is the first one we're going to go over. So on Software Sunday, we're going to go through different programs, and I'm just going to teach you guys different things, whether it's in NetFab, Illustrator, AutoCAD, Autodesk, any of those type of programs, whether it's Vector, 3D, Raster, and some of the stuff I'll be teaching you guys as I learned, because I don't know everything. So as I learn, I like to teach when I do learn it, and then also explaining different things on how to fix software issues inside of Cura, inside of Simplify 3D, all that kind of stuff. So that's roughly what Software Sunday is going to look like. So next is Maker Monday. These are the projects that you guys see me doing in regards to just 3D putting projects together. For example, the Power Ranger green helmet, creating the Ghost from Destiny, creating the Raspberry Pi using a Nintendo 64 shell, breaking that down, the entire teardown process, and building something different out of it, installing the software onto the Raspberry Pi, that type of stuff. So that'd be like the Maker Monday, when we actually are making something. The Proton Pack, 3D printed files, we're assembling them together, things like that. That's what Maker Monday is going to consist of, those type of videos. So that'd be the format for Maker Monday. Now the next is Tweaking Tuesday. Tweaking Tuesday, we're going to go around through and alter things that we already have. For example, me adding blue LEDs to my Think Geek watch, or turning a solder pot, turning a sandwich maker into a solder pot, things like that. So I'd be Tweaking Tuesday, or salvaging parts from old electronics. Then next is Wired Review Wednesday. So Wired Review will be breaking down, we'll be unboxing and going over electronic components. For example, the battery charger video that we made for charging 18650 cells, breaking down an Arduino and looking inside of it, putting together an oscilloscope, unboxing the entire process, or unboxing the Maker box as well. That's what Wired Review look like. Now Tutorial Thursdays will be me going through specific tutorials in regards to 3D printing, whether it's going through and fixing stringing, whether it's doing a video like this where we're going through and we're changing the orientation of the prints, and then step-by-step instructions on how to do so, just in a tutorial style. So that's what Tutorial Thursdays will look like. So the next is Free Friday. Now Free Friday can be a multitude of things. We can either be working inside of software, building something, designing something, or it can be miscellaneous time-lapse videos from previous projects we worked on. It can also be us working on something specific, like tearing down a DS and repairing it, or working with some type of new tool. So Free Friday can be any of those things, or it could be a 3D printing project. A 3D printing project. So I just really wanted a free day to kind of work on whatever I want on that day with no restrictions. So That's why I picked Free Friday. And then the last is Sculpture Saturday. So on Sculpture Saturday, I will be using my 3D pen to make projects. I guess you say art projects on those days. And hopefully you guys don't leave my channel because it'll only be on Saturdays. You can always just tune out on Saturdays if you don't like 3D pen videos. But I really feel like 3D pens are wrapped right in with 3D printers in regards to all the stuff that you can do with them, the builds you can do, and how you can use the 3D pen with your 3D printed projects to actually improve upon them. So I really do like 3D pens, and that's the reason I want to add it to my channel. At first it started off as just a tool for me to fuse corners together and things like that. Then I just saw what else you can really do with it, and I kind of fell in love with the tool. I've always had more of an artistic background. I always love art and technology, so it's awesome that I can bring both of those together and actually do cool builds like this one, like working on Carnage or creating Freddy Krueger, and those will come out every single Saturday. Alright guys, that is it. That is going to be the new format for the channel. I hope this inspires you guys to stick around. Hope this inspires you guys to share my channel with other people. Hopefully you guys like that the channel is going to be in a structure in this way. If you guys don't, let me know. Give me a comment below and let me know what you guys would prefer to see. And that's it. As always, folks, thank you for watching. Thanks for sticking around this long, and have a great day.